So guys, if you're tight on closet space or just need a reliable, heavy-duty spot to hang up your clothes like in a laundry room, this Raybee clothes rack that the brand sent over to us and compensated us for this video is one of those practical things that instantly can make life easier. It's really wide, over 82 inches, and it can handle up to over 300 pounds of clothes thanks to like the premium steel build and smart triangle shaped support design. You can easily fit over 100 garments on here without worrying about it buckling or tipping over. It was really easy to put together. With no tools or screws or bolts you had to come up with yourself. Everything was together and in the box and ready to be used. Most of the poles and pieces just snap together. What I really like is how versatile it is. The L-shaped top bar rotates and it can fold 90 degrees, so you can adjust it to fit different spaces, whether you're tucking it into a corner, expanding it out for drying laundry like I always have to use it for, or just using it for storage. And there's also like a shelf at the bottom. You can put shoes or bags. It even comes with smooth rolling rubber wheels. Four of them lock in place so you can easily move it from one room to another and then lock it down and keep it secure. So whether you're using it in a bedroom, a laundry room, a store, or even a craft space, this rack is designed to move with you and adapt to the space that you want to use it in. It's definitely one of those items that makes organizing feel a little bit more manageable. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.